Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching sample rate and bit depth so edits don't introduce artifacts. Open the voice file and place it on a dedicated track. Once done, disable other tracks to focus. Make sure the track is set to mono if this is a single voice, because stereo can hide phase issues. Also name the track and set clip gain modestly below 0 dB to leave headroom. Doing this early prevents clipping as you process. Next, remove noise and unwanted sounds before compression. Use denoise or dehum to target constant noise, and run declicker for clicks. Once done, switch to spectral frequency display to surgically remove breaths or pops. Apply a high-pass filter at roughly 80 to 120 Hz to reduce rumble, then boost 3 to 6 kHz slightly for intelligibility. After EQ, preview. Make increment finish by controlling dynamics and ensuring consistent levels. Insert a compressor with a moderate ratio to even out loud and soft passages. Set attack and release so transients remain natural. Add a brickwall limiter and normalize to about -1 dB to protect against clipping. Once satisfied, render a multi-track mixdown. If you see distortion after export, check master bus gain and bypass plugins to isolate the culprit. If necessary, revert to the saved multi-track session and reduce peak gain before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.